So over here, you can see that I have this form right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and embed out this form right here on a website that I have. So for that, let's say I have this web page and this is where I want the form to actually show up after the click me section. So in order to do that, you can go on to the page right here and then access its HTML code right here. And then what you can simply do is you can go around onto Jotform, go to Publish, go to Embed, and over here you can see a straightforward embed code. Simply go ahead and copy out this code right here. And then after, let's say for example, the button, I'm going to go ahead and paste it and save the space. Once I do that, and if I were to reload the page, now you will be able to see the form right here just like this, which has been embedded in my own site, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and embed out the form. And you can see that it is interactive right here, and you can go ahead and click and browse file, and it is acting as if it is a part of the website itself. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then embed out form in website in Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.